Energy storage systems can give the grid flexibility and provide backup power. Battery backup systems must be efficiently and effectively cooled for proper operation. Heat can degrade the performance, safety, and lifespan of battery backup systems. The more batteries connected together, the more heat will be generated inside the cabinet. Depending on the location of the base station, temperatures can range from 50 degrees Celsius to -30 degrees Celsius. The heat generated in the battery cabinet will vary with the ambient temperature. For reliable operation and maximum battery life, the enclosure must be kept between 10 degrees and 30 degrees. There are steps you can take to maximize battery life and performance, including using a cooling system. The CNYL series of liquid-cooled coolers developed by LNEYA can work in the ambient temperature range of -45 degrees to 55 degrees, and can be used in environments below 5,000 meters above sea level. The compact design is suitable for use with the energy storage system box without taking up too much space. One key filling of coolant, there is no need to worry about the use of the cooling system during battery pack maintenance.